Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another Dollar Tree video for you from my Dollar Tree series. This time I'm coming with 7 amazing Dollar Tree hacks that you will love. So let's jump right into number 1. First up, we have this clear plastic tote, which is perfect for carrying your everyday items. When you open it up, it has a spacious main compartment and it has double carrying straps. I'm going to show you how I store my manicure items in this bag. I have a bottle of polish remover or acetone, 3 polish colors, a base coat and a top coat, a fingernail file, some clippers for your fingernails or your toenails, and I also have toe separators for when you're doing your pedicure. And now I'm going to zip this up to show you how sturdy it is. Now this is very handy. You can also put this in your suitcase and take it on your trips when you need to touch up, or you can just simply keep it organized and tucked away for when you need to do your next manicure or pedicure. I have a couple of these bags for my nail supplies. You cannot beat this at just $1 at Dollar Tree. This is definitely a steal. Next up is this Dollar Tree kitchen towel bar that's designed to hang over your cabinet doors. This bar is adjustable, so it allows you to hang one or multiple towels on the rack at a time. The bar is equipped with a protective cushion on the back side. This protects your cabinet and it prevents it from getting any scratches on it. The bar is designed so there is no need to drill any holes into the cabinet or put any screws in the cabinet. And this is how the towel bar will look once you put it over the cabinet. Then all you need is a hand towel to drape over the bar. I placed this in the kitchen, but you can also place this in the bathroom if you need an extra towel bar. This is a great way to make sure your kitchen towels are easily accessible when you need them. Now for my third Dollar Tree hack, it's this lightweight metal business card holder. I'm going to show you how to transform this simple item into something that we all need. If you're ever at your desk and you want to work on your computer, but you also want to watch something on YouTube, this is the perfect item to use as a cell phone holder. Now this stand will also hold your tablet. I have tried it out with an iPad. The slanted design keeps your phone safe and perfect for viewing movies or videos. For only $1 at Dollar Tree, this is a great hack. Make sure you thumbs up on this video. Next up are these metal binder clips from Dollar Tree. They come 8 in a pack, so more bang for your buck. These are great for the office or classroom, but I like to use them right in the kitchen. Now these are definitely an office supply essential. Here I am using them on potato chip bags to help keep the chips fresh. You can also use this on your candy bags. It will be perfect to clip your cereal bags to retain the freshness. Now this is not really a dollar store hack, but I just want to show you some good items that you can find at the dollar store. First I have Poo Be Gone, which is perfect for your toilet. All you have to do is spray a couple of sprays into the water before you use the restroom, and you will never have to worry about smells ever again. Thank me later. Next up, you can find these puff tissues at Dollar Tree for only $1. Now, when we blow our nose, we all want a soft tissue and nothing hard. There's nothing better than getting a name brand at a great price. Now, a good way to organize your puff tissues and Poo Be Gone for easy access is to place it in a toilet caddy tray at the top of your toilet. This makes for great storage and perfect organization. My 6th Dollar Tree hack involves these chalkboard tags. Now you can use the tags to label almost anything you desire. These tags come 6 in a pack and they are perfect for labeling your pantry containers. For this project, all you need is some chalk or a chalkboard marker in your pantry containers that you want to label. Once you label the tag, you can then tie it on the bin in a vertical position. As long as you give it a secure tie, you don't have to worry about it coming off. And if you don't want to hang it, you also can place the tag in a horizontal position by using some tape or hot glue on the back side. And remember, just like a chalkboard, you can erase this, and especially if you make a mistake, you can try it again. Now for my last and final hack, I'm going to use this foam poster board from Dollar Tree. You're also going to need some contact paper that you can find at Dollar Tree. They come in different print and you can get a roll for just $1. Here I'm going to use this Duck brand laminate adhesive in marble print. For this project, I'm going to take the contact paper and cover the foam poster board. As you can see, all you need to do is peel and stick and you can have a totally new surface. I'm using scissors to cut the contact paper to the perfect size and length that I need. Once I measured it and sized it, I'm ready to go ahead and peel the contact paper and stick it to the board. You want to line it up perfect, but leave just a little bit to hang over so you can fold it to the back of the board. Then I just use my hand to smooth it out to make sure I have a complete smooth surface. Once the paper is smooth, you can go ahead and fold the excess over to the back side. Now you have a totally new marble surface and you can't even tell it's a poster board. This was definitely a fun project, but I know you all are wondering, what is she going to do with this? Okay, so I wanted to create some counter space in my closet to put my jewelry and some other items that I like to keep in the closet. So with this space, I had already measured out, and I'm just going to go ahead and place my newly marbled countertop shelf in my closet. Now, I don't know if you remember this from my other videos, but yes, this was my closet that I was showing you. Now, I may show you my closet one day. Now, it's a walk-in closet, but it's a fairly small closet for what I need. But sometimes you have to improvise, so I'm making it work for me. Thank you all for watching my videos. Make sure you watch my other Dollar Tree videos on my channel. And if you have not yet subscribed, please make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can be qualified for my subscriber giveaway going on right now.